How you guys doing today? This is our newest build. It's a 2019 Yukon XL. This is built for a customer down in Texas, and he's owned a lot of these trucks, but this time around, he wanted to do something a little bit different. And different we did. So he wanted a lot more horsepower, better suspension, big brakes, cool wheels. So we went as far as we could go in those areas. And built him this kick-ass truck. So the engine is, these are LT powered trucks, so the engine is a 377 cubic inch. It's all custom built. It has forged internals, CNC ported heads. It has a 2.9 Whipple on top, and it makes a conservative 800 horsepower. So from the factory, these trucks were 355 to 420 horsepower. This one makes 800 horsepower, like I said, conservatively. And it is quite quick. It will get after it. It's extremely fast. But one of the main things we wanted to do here was build something that was drivable. And I mean drivable every day, not just when you wanted to go out and drive it. So you can pick the kids up from soccer practice. You can do whatever you want in this thing. You can daily drive it. You can take it to the office. But when you romp on it, it's totally wicked. Really, really awesome truck. So we're quite happy. We are right now we like to do about 3. God. As you can see, it's just wicked fast. So we like to do about 300 to 400 test miles on it. I've driven it almost 400 now. So it's done well. It's never let us down so far, so we're really happy with the reliability. And I've been driving it in about 95 degree weather. Of course, you don't really have hot running issues with these things, so runs nice and cool. It does everything right. We worked with the U.S. distributor for Brembo to get the brakes on this thing perfect, and they are just wicked. Huge brakes. With those brakes, we had to upgrade the wheels, but they have massive calipers on the front, and as you can see, it stops in a hurry. Very, very smooth acceleration. This truck has a 10-speed transmission, and everything's been tuned in HP tuners and is running really, really well. We got a really nice set of headers from Cook's and a Y-pipe. And then the exhaust is a catback system from MagnaFlow. So for the wheels, we worked with the guys over at B Forged, and they made us this killer set of forged wheels. And then on the exterior of the truck, the Yukon XL has a lot of chrome trim on it, and we blacked everything out just to give it a more sinister look. We've got the whole truck lowered on a Beltec kit, and man, it's just about perfect. I can't think of anything I'd want to change. And it gets actually pretty good gas mileage, but it's almost impossible to drive it without romping on the gas over and over and over again because it sounds so damn cool. Well, maybe not so good gas mileage when I'm driving it. Woo! Thanks for coming along on the ride with us. Make sure to like the video and also comment below. Let us know what you think. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, here on YouTube, of course. And check out our website, classiccarstudio.com. Thanks for coming to our YouTube page. If you like what you see, make sure to subscribe. If you want notifications, click on the bell. If you want to buy some cool merch, click on the info card, or you can click on the link in the bio.